This guy you just saw jumping from one car to another is a newcomer in Jharkhand politics. Sometimes he stands atop a JCB, sometimes on a stage, but mostly on a Scorpio to deliver his speeches. Some call him a but for his supporters, he is a tiger. His name?
नाम जयराम कुमार महतो है.
This 30-year-old PhD student with a master's in English literature hails from a village near Dhanbad and has a huge social media following. He's often called Jharkhand का लड़का और Jharkhand's own son.
आप गरीबी को जानना चाहते, गरीबी का कारण क्या है? एक लाइन में सुन लीजिए. कुछ लोगों का ज्यादा अमीर होना ही गरीबी का कारण है.
Mahato founded the Jharkhand Loktantrik Krantikari Morcha in early 2024 and contested 8 out of the 15 Lok Sabha seats in the state. In Giridih, he got over 3.5 lakh votes and led in 2 assembly segments, even though he finished third overall. Currently, he is contesting in 2 assembly seats, Dumri and Bermo, while his party has fielded candidates in 77 out of 81 seats in its debut assembly elections in Jharkhand.
एक भी सीट आने वाला है नहीं. अगर एक भी सीट आ जाए मुझको कॉल करना, मैं आपके माइक के सामने हाजिर हो जाऊंगा.
Mahato first came into the limelight in 2022 for launching a movement in the state after languages like Bhojpuri, Magai and Angika were included in the list of regional languages for state-level examinations in 11 districts. He argued that only local languages should be promoted, ensuring jobs for Jharkhand's residents. Bhojpuri, Magai and Angika are not local according to many in Jharkhand. This movement brought him into the political spotlight.
कि मैंने इस झारखंड राज्य में एक साफ सुथरी पॉलिटिक्स करने का संकल्प लिया है.
Mahato comes from the Kurmi community, which is about 15% of the state population, the second largest bloc after the tribal community. For his followers, he is seen as a leader who can address critical issues such as land rights, employment and cultural identity. However, for his critics, he is just
वो सिर्फ कुर्मी के नेता हैं. कुर्मी जो कह रहे हैं, सबको एक साथ बांध के नहीं रख पा रहे वो.
The final verdict on Mahato's political rise will be revealed on November 23, 2024, when the votes for the assembly elections are counted. The results will determine whether he is just a regional force or a rising star for Jharkhand as a whole.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today News Mo.